LRS is a medical staffing company. So basically what I tell people is we staff everyone in healthcare facilities that's not a doctor.
We staff in every state through physical therapy, nursing, cardiac, lab, imaging, home health, long-term care facilities.
Anything that you could possibly think of when you go into the hospital that you need that isn't the actual physician themselves, we employ those people. We staff them in all 50 states around the country.
Their market is highly competitive for personnel, and so we wanted to create an environment that people wanted to show up to work in, that they wanted to stay and work there. They didn't want to have to get out of the office as soon as they possibly could. And so we had to look at what their employees wanted.
We had toured spaces all over the city and struggled to find those. And then we met the guys from Cresa and they were able to show us spaces in a matter of a week. I think we saw 3 or 4 spaces.
Cresa did a great job of breaking it down, not just on the real estate side. They were able to break things down in very good detail as far as the setup, the build out, and everything that went with it. This was our biggest project. We couldn't have done it without them there.
We were able to do a lot with less by choosing the right furniture systems, choosing the right layouts, and making sure that an environment overall was aesthetically pleasing and it provided that agile workspace for their employees.
You can look at cost and you can look at it as I want the cheapest, or you can look at it as I want the best value. I feel like Cresa helped us get the best value.
Cresa building it out the way we wanted it, not the way they, could have saved the most money or kind of, the way the building may have wanted it. They did what we wanted to do to fit the needs of the company. The employees love it, and I know they deserved it. It was well needed as far as the growth and the change we had, so they've loved it.
It's created an energy, it's created a sense of collaboration. It's really brought what we want out of our culture.
I couldn't imagine not doing business with Cresa, and anybody out there that's doing this, building out, going to a new space, I couldn't imagine not using a company like them for the fact of how much work they put in, how detailed they are, and how much it really saves you long term.
It really makes you start to question traditional commercial broker models. What I appreciate about Cresa, I know that they have us in mind as the tenant because they're working with us and for us as the tenant. It definitely provided some peace of mind knowing that.